first thing that then you run. Look at that big skills I got, Eli.
Mission.
Eli, what's so interesting about a bunch of things going by?
It's not the fact of what's going by, it's the fact that it is going by.
I know. What's so amazing about that?
Well, it's full and it's going off.
Irvine, thank you for choosing Amtrak.
I like this one, Dad.
See ya.
What's the big corner, Dad?
It'll be coming soon.
Which side did we get out on, Dad?
This side.
Yep, the corner.
Corner.
Where?
Going around the corner.
I don't see any corner.
There's 4th Street.
I don't see any corner.
Not commercial. Very wanted, gentlemen.